natin. Binayaran niya? Lahat. Mayaman eh. Oo nga, bakla mayayaman yan.
Mamimigay ito eh, nag-aarap lang na susunod.
Oo, kung naka-record ako. What's up mga kapukol? Andito tayo ngayon sa Imos Cavite. Ay, hindi, General Trias pala to. Ay, ano kinukuha mo? Sorry. So, what's up mga kapukol? Andito tayo sa General Trias Cavite. Kasama natin ang Upland Cavite Free Flight and ang Upland tuloy. Ang Unified Fly Stage Team Dasmariñas. Ayan. So, kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at abangan nyo ang ating mga weekly vlogs. Ayan. And ayun, sinusubukan pa rin namin na i-certified free flight si Bullet. Ang owner ay si Kuya Ja. Ayan, si Papa Ja. Ayan, Papa Ja ano? Naging si Papa Ja na lang. Ayan. So, ayun, gusto ko nga palang i-shoutout itong mga to. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo guys. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan. So, gusto ko nga po pala guys i-promote ang aking TikTok account. Ayan, subscribe, follow kayo guys sa ating TikTok page. Ayan, so ayan, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ating mga pages sa mga iba't ibang platforms. Ayan, so magpapalipad muna kami guys. So bye lang kayo, keep watching guys. Smex ni Insang yan. Oh, nice.
All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once over. Cut the cord, they kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once over. Cut the cord, they kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove.
Dumadaim talaga ang sisi, no? Grabe, sisi na yan talaga. I-certified namin ang hagis sa gano'n. Sina? Game.
All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once over. Cut the cord, they kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove.
Step up, step up, step up. Good bird. Aba, kumain. Aba. Oh my God, ang galing mo, oh my God.
All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober.
Magaling nga sa'yo.
Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above.
Bitin ka ba sa ating free fly vlog ngayon? Ayan, hintayin mo ang aking a-upload mamayang gabi. At mag-free fly kami sa The Crossing Cafe. Kasama ko ang Upland Cavite Free Flight, ang Macau Flyers Pilipinas, and ang UFP Team Dasmariñas. Ayan. So, kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Abangan nyo ang mga susunod natin weekly vlogs at free fly vlogs. So, kita-kits tayo mamayang gabi, guys. Bye!